Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to switch from a demo account to a live account on MetaTrader 5. Let's jump right in. First, you want to confirm that you are using a demo account. And to do this, just open up your MT5 app and click the three-line icon at the upper left of the screen. This one. Then from here, you can already identify that you are using a demo account. But you can also tap on the manage accounts just to confirm to further verify. Then from here, to create a live account, head over to Messages tab right at the bottom of the screen at the right corner, this one. Click this, and from here, you want to tap on Register. From here, you can join the MQL5 community. Simply sign in with your Google account or enter your email address that you'd like associated with your real account. Just fill in the details to complete the sign up process. It may take a few seconds to load, but once done, your live account will be created successfully. And that's it. You've successfully switched to a live account on MetaTrader 5. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one.